So it's been a while. I haven't posted here consistently in 4 years now, but that's about to change. So I used to post coding tutorials here about 4 years ago, and some of them were quite successful. But to be honest, I wasn't that excited about making coding tutorials every week. I kind of lost interest in it and I found it a little bit repetitive. Now I want to start making content again, but I don't think coding tutorials are the way to go, especially in 2025 now with AI. Coding tutorials are a little bit less relevant. But what I do want to do is keep talking about software, keep talking about tech, indie hacking, and building products. And that's what this channel is going to be about. I'm still building my SaaS Boilerplate that I was building 4 years ago, but I'm also building a new SaaS product called Alertly. And I want to document that process and share what I'm learning. This isn't going to be some guru BS. This is going to be about me sharing what I'm learning as I'm building, launching, and growing my own products. So in the coming weeks, this channel is going to get a lick of paint. There's going to be a bit of a rebrand, and then I'm committed to putting out one video every single week. If you've been here for a while, I really appreciate you sticking around, and I hope that you're going to follow me on this new journey. If you're new here, welcome to the channel. I hope you're going to stick around, and I hope you're going to follow what I'm doing. If there's anything you'd like me to make a video on, anything to do with building software products, please leave a comment down below and let me know. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video.